If you've been invited to a WebWork workspace and want to join it, the first thing you should do is accept the invitation. To do that, you should open your email. You'll get an invitation from WebWork that you'll need to accept. Here I have one, so I'll go ahead and follow this link. From here, you'll need to write in your first name, last name, email, password, and then confirm your password. Or you can sign up with Google. After filling in the details, you can go ahead and press Create Profile. Now, if you want to start tracking time, you'll need to select a way to track your time. Depending on your workspace settings, you can track time using the desktop application, web version, mobile application, and the Google extension. To download the desktop application, you can go ahead and press Download Desktop App. For me, you can download the desktop app, the mobile app, as well as the browser extension. Now, once you open the tracker, the first thing you'll see is the Projects and Tasks page. From here, you can change the project you're tracking time for. So for example, I can go ahead and choose Test, and then I can also select the task I'm tracking for. This way I'm tracking for this project and this task. And if you have multiple tasks, you can go ahead and select your project and then click on the other task you want to track time for. Now, if you just want to track time for a project, you can go ahead and just press the project and click on the Start button. This way you'll be tracking time for this project. Now, if you want to just change the project you're tracking time for, so for example, you don't have any tasks and you just want to change your project, you can go down to Project Time Details, and then from here you can select the project you want to track time for. So for example, I can go ahead and track time for this project, then quickly swap to this one. This way it's very easy and fast to change projects. Also from this page you can see how much time you've tracked for this project. So for example, for today, this week, and the weekly limit. Then we have the overview page. From here you'll be able to see all the data about your track time. From here you can start and stop tracking time, as well as start your break. So for example, here I can start my lunch break. Then over here in the top left corner you can select the project you want to track time for. This way you can easily switch between projects. Underneath the project you can write your activity description. So I can go ahead and write video recording. Then underneath here we have overview of track time. So for example, how many hours I tracked for today, my activity level, my productive time, and what time I started. Then at the very bottom we can see how much time I've tracked throughout the week, my total tracked amount, and my weekly limit if I have one. And here on the right they can see how much time I tracked for each day of the week. And lastly, if you want to edit your time, you can go to the time editor, and then from here you can add time. And then from here I can select the time interval, what project I was tracking on, the task, and the activity description. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and press approve. Depending on your workspace settings, you'll need someone with a higher role to approve this time. Then here at the bottom, you can actually edit the time you've tracked. So for example, I can go ahead and select this time interval and press edit. And here you can see I can edit the time interval. Now if you want to view more information about your tracked hours, you can go ahead and click on Go to Dashboard. This way it will take you to the dashboard where you can see all the data.